ko talaga depende sa ng bata. Parang may ibang bata talaga ng condition na
yan, dito sa katititi, magkaiba. Tawa nga kami. Saka isa daw ito malaki.
dapat alam mo paano kausapin ang paano i-handle iba yung frustration. Related nga pala pa ito.
Ay, salamat pare, salamat. Chi,
Yes?
ano yan?
Fox.
Chi, what's that?
Fox. I'm calling the fox.
Ano ba to, Chi? Free art activity?
Yes. Okay. What? There's another.
Ano?
Wait, there's another fox.
How many tails is that fox?
One. It's not the nine-tailed fox.
How many days?
We can wait for Lola here.
They have lots of other art materials here.
They even have a dog painting.
They even have a dog painting?
Yes. Look.
Oh,
With wash.
saan? Ah, dog.
I'm going to leave the tail white.
Okay. It's up to you. Come on.
Idoru tumetaganda. Da ido sunjere. Yemewa shodi de sunjere. America rock. Daddy, can you look?
Ah! Pakita mo. Yung red. Hindi. Huwag mo galawin yan. Yung galawin mo paper mo.
Set the clear the light. Give me why come in time come tonight stand. Give me why come in time come. My mind.
Tote. Ayaw mo? Ha?
Yeah, 209.
OG, finisher.
Oh, good. It's easy.
Hindi ako natuwa sa bunganga mo eh.
Pakitodo, tumunagan. Pakitodo, tubitagan makakaragat.
Wow, combination ng kulay. Orange tsaka brown.
Shading.
Go, go. Wala pa naman Lola Joy.
We can wait until she comes. Kimi na is coming, time come tonight. Tukido mai mai, sasakit mai. Simuni aking pari.
Favorite animal mo ba yung fox? Arctic fox.
Professor not quick.
Professor not quick.
There's
Arctic fox.
another fox. What? Is it the regular fox? Oh, yeah, it's the regular fox. The job the job the
Bakit?
I should have not colored this part. I should have not colored this part.
Okay lang. Sige, go. Finish it. It doesn't matter. There's no right or wrong color.
I'm trying to mimic a real fox, bro.
Ha?
I'm trying to mimic a real fox.
You're trying to mimic a real fox. Just use your imagination.
Ang kulit. Ako kuna.
You need to focus. Baka bilang dumating si Lola Joy.
And I need to go.
Hindi, para mapakita mo kay Lola Joy yung artwork mo.
Look nice? Daddy, look nice? Daddy? I'll leave the... Kairobu, tumidagan bara. Taminagan mo.
Finish mo na bilis. Bibigay mo kay Lola Joy yan.
Nakiya.
Nandiyan na si Lola Joy sa kabilang building. Papunta na rito. Okay, maganda. Ayan si Lolo. Finish na, bilis na. Nasa escalator na si Lolo. You give it to Lola.
Still not hit
Yung
them.
body, yung body. Kulayan yung body.
Wait.
Kumain na po kayo, Mama. Kumain na po.
Hindi ka pa. Kain pa rin siya. Cook it. Are you ready to cook later?
Sama mo daw si Lola.
By ingredient.
Ay, mamaya na po ba kayo magluluto? Okay po. Ngayon na po pala yun. Hindi, yung pare po ba yung kay Daddy? Ngayon na po.
Next week pa tayo, di ba?
Ay, akala ko po yan.
Wala lang. Dami yatang tao.
G, tulungan mo si Lola magluto later, ah. Saan po kayo kain, Mama? Antayin niyo po si Jet. Kasama po si Mickey.
Hindi. Nagpapabili lang ng ballpen kasi sa walang refill yung espresso. Para pagpasok na sa Wednesday. Eh si Jen, ang haba ng pila. Marami yatang tao. Kaya tuloy, hindi ko alam kung
Finish na, G.
Okay.
free art activity pala apo eh.
Sunod po kami sa inyo, Mama.
Kasi si Jen kumain
Pero tapos na po kami.
Tapos na kumain si Jen. Dun sa bahay.
Kayo na lang po?
Nagmadali lang kami.
Hi. Yeah, sige, go.
Sige.
Kasi for
Sige po.
Facebook posting.
Sige po.
Huwag ka mag-alala, meron din siya.
Oh,
oh.
meron din
Ay,
po.
meron din.
Okay lang.
Yun, oh my God.
Nagtitiktok po
May
ito eh.
TikTok ano po siya.
May 8K followers yan sa TikTok. 8K followers sa TikTok.
namin tayo.
Hindi, pero okay lang. Kulang.
Ay, ma'am, legit. Kasi minsan nangangailangan kami sa mga kilig campaign.
Yeah, sige, next time po.
May family.
Pwede po.
Family, kids.
Yeah, puro ano po siya eh. Ang content po niya, family, education, tsaka basketball po.
Pagkatapos lang niya sa ice cup.
Culinary school po siya.
Ice cup.
Mga bootcamp po ng kids, gano'n.
Next week sa ano, BGC naman siya. Ano ba yun?
Mga coding po.
Nakinig ko kami siya.
Luigi Sarmiento. L-U-I-G-I, tatlong I. Sarmiento.
Tapos,
S-A.
yun.
Yan.
Ano lang niya.
Follow na rin ako. Thank you. Sige po, go.
Luigi,
Post na lang rin po.
Luigi, did you understand what we are saying? You did, you know, you have no clue what we are saying. I said that we are.
Para pag may activity sila dito, may invite ka, G.
Oh, yeah, you could tell them about your ice camp, about your...
Hinahanapan po kasi siya namin yung mga summer activities.
Is this basketball, cooking? You smile for the camera, you know? Answer properly, darling. Which one? What bread would you like to go with the Alfredo that we're going to cook later? The chicken Alfredo. Okay. We just go to French baker and we look for a bread that goes with the pasta. Okay? Yes, Lala.
Lala,
Yes.
garlic bread.
Garlic bread? Do you like garlic bread? Do you like garlic bread with the pesto? With the pasta?
Remember, we ate
Okay,
it
I'm gonna
there.
look for
I
you.
ate it.
Okay, you ate it.
Yeah, hug.
Oh.
Thank you. Tagal, pero sige lang po. Taga dyan lang naman po kami. Sige. Mas pakita mo lang sa video.
It's about me. It's about you. It's about me. It's me. It's about all. It's about me. It's about all. It's about you. It's about me. It's about all and everything.
Show it to the video.
Video.
There are three kinds of garlic. There's pesto garlic, there's sweet garlic, and there's the toasted garlic.
Toast.
Which one you like?
Toast.
Toast only? Para daw dun sa Alfredo.
Ay, kakain ka ulit? Ah, okay po. Go, go, go.
Is it okay?
Oh.
Kitty Tokiro. One key element that the fox is missing is yellow.
Ganda naman yan, nak. May shading pa, ha? Walang kulay yung tenga, G. Yung buntot white talaga, no? Go, 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 go. Oh, para hindi pantay, no? Para may blending.
And the fox ear is really red.
Okay, go.
Like a cat, it's like a cat.
Of course.
Their ears are both red. Tokiro. Now we expect. You need a state and Dutch man.
Show it, go. Atras mo ante. Oh, hi guys, this is my drawing.
Hi guys, this is my drawing.
Okay. Come on, put back the crayon, G. Put the crayon back properly. Tapos, pirmahan mo muna, put your name. Luigi, put your name. Signature. Come on. That's yours naman eh.
Tokiro. Singin ako.
Show it, come on. Yay!
The books.
Tapos, bye!
Bye.
Nice! Two toes! Oh, I bought also your parachute.
No, it's not yet done.
Not yet
The other feet.
Oh, come on! May pahabol pa.
Oh, but the tail.
Puti daw po, mama.
Ah, okay.
Mami no gunig.
Hindi kilala. Madalian. Mas sa taas, mas madali sa
Okay.
taas. Dito ang dami tao eh.
Mama G, babi na.
So skibidi, so romantic. So skibidi, so romantic.
Magkano na ngayon yung dati ng gupit, anak? Di ba 250 lang sila dati?
Magkano na po?
Hindi, kayo nagpagupit sa district eh.
Parang 250 po.
Oo, kasi yung...
G, yan ah. Sarap. G, yummy. Brain freeze.
Walang bandang ano.
Yes.
Bili na lang ako ng magic data.
Wala po yung internet na ako.
Hindi, kasi ang problema, bumili lang ako ng 100 dalawa. lang kaya? May unlegal. Back to zero. 100 lang.
Sarap. I know. Summer. Yummy.
Eh?
Haba daw ng pila sa kotse dyan ah. Okay. Siguro yung nag-bottleneck lang sa pagpasok.
Kasi nag-iisa yung cashier. Ay, mali talaga sila doon.
Oo, dapat ginawa nila paglamas na lang bayad.
Like Mega Mall.
Oo, kasi lumalabas doon, may senior din sila. Ah, sige.
Hello.
Malaki na rin siya dito daw for until 9. Ano ba yun? Grade 9. May grade 9 ba? Oh, look.
Yes, and
Look. Ay, ayaw. Ayaw niya.
Is that... Anong flavor niyan, G? Anong flavor niyan? What flavor is that?
mango.
Hindi yan mango.
Summer.
Summer.
It's hot, right? Oh, can you see? It's hot. Din ba to? Hot din siya. Kumakit.
Tulog na ba ako? Sinulit ko po yung only rice eh.
Ah,
Si Luigi nga po nakadalawang rice rin po yan.
Lola, don't get the Wagyu beef there. The sauce is not good.
you were able to taste it?
The sauce is not good.
The sauce? How about the beef?
I don't know what to say about it.
Oh, kaya mo na? Oh, that's delicious.
Oh, I only got a small part. It's the tentacles of Cthulhu.
Tentacles of Cthulhu.
Cthulhu. Daddy, you can sacrifice any artifact you want. Oh, yummy.
Gamitin nga.
Kasi naubos na po yung tempura niya. Tapos binigyan ko pa po siya ng Wagyu.
Oh my goodness. Matindi appetite na ako ko. Pero you have to taste, you have to eat also the Alfredo that we're going to do, ah. Ay.
Samahan mo muna si Lola. Magluto ka din. Gusto mo?
The difference between the Alfredo and carbonara is butter only. Ang carbonara has no butter. Alfredo meron. The rest, Meron siyang fresh milk, meron siyang all-purpose cream, meron siyang cheese. Butter lang ang wala. So, ayun lang pala yun.
I want to taste.
Oh. Look at your ano, spoon. You taste first the rice, then the beef. Yeah, the beef. Manipis lang siya. Oh, that's your spoon.
Ay, si Jed po, nagpagupit na po.
Nagpagupit na daw siya. Para sa bibili na tayo.
Samahan natin si Lola mag-grocery, G.
Si Alfredo lang naman kasi nag-grocery na sila daddy. Eh, diba, I told you once you're done with the cooking, we will cook at the house.
This is your chance to cook. You help Lola prepare the ingredients.
Daddy, remember I already prepared the green stuff?
Sarap si Luigi.
Drink the sabaw, G. Drink the sabaw. That's the nutrients. That's where the nutrients is.
Oh, that one, you get the beef. The pork.
Meep,
The meat.
meep, meep.
Nagagawa lang ng ano, sira-sira. Maandak-andak ng nililok. You want to taste the gyoza?
Look,
Yeah. It's on and off.
maybe somebody has a switch.
No, the wire before the right itself.
Remember, we also need new light in the room, di ba, G?
Mom, yes.
Hindi.
Last time,
Dati po.
Aba, maaga-aga. Oh, maabutan ni mama mo yung lulutuin natin.
last time it was early.
Okay.
Right, Daddy?
Ano?
Last time daw, it was early.
Ay, hapon po. Maaga nga po mukha. Ay, Lola yan. Loko ka.
No, it's yours! Hindi ako. Sige. Hanggat kaya mong ubusin. Ubusin mo. Go, go, go. Kasi magluluto tayo. You need energy.
Sabaw, sabaw, sabaw.
Daddy, remember I can become the king of Snake Dadayo with just one skin. No benefiting. You know what's my favorite skin? The fish pack. Blah, 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 blah. Blah, 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 blah. Blah, 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 blah.
Balita ko lang po kasi habang nag-aantay po eh.
Tapos Luigi, makita pa nila yung ice cam mo. Nice presentation, no?
CCA, may CCA pa yan.
Kita ka.
Ang lapit mo naman.
CCA,
Summer.
CCA will say, what? Why is Luigi there too?
Oh, wala ka pa dun sa ano, yung sa Quezon City. Tapos na ba yun? Di ba nyo pa nagagawa? Yung sa Quezon City na nag-edit siya.
Ay, di pa po na-edit.
Eh.
Pero yun po muna-una ko nga-edit bago po yung sa ice cam. Nauna po yun eh.
You have nga pala, ano there, sleeping, what's this? Hindi ko alam kung tsinelas o sapatos eh.
Saan po nga?
Tagal na yung Loki na Lola. Ewan ko kung kanino. Aso-aso eh. Kasi madumi na, lalabang ako. Nakikita mo mamaya sa bahay ako. It's cute.
Ano masasabi mo?
Oh, you drink na soup ka?
Saan yan? Pure ramen.
Tanggalin mo yung anak yung kutsara. Baka maano ka. Puputik-tik. Oh, what? Hot? Hot siya. Hindi siya hot. Hindi siya spicy.
Nakita po namin si Papa kanina umaga eh.
At papunta natin ng Laguna.
Naabutan pa, nauna pa po kami sa kanilang umalis.
I eat the green one because you don't like the green one.
Seaweed.
La nori.
Sige, that's, alam mo, that's ano. Okay, you eat it together with the soup.
Yan anak yung nasa ano, sa rice ball, sa onigiri.
Oo.
Super healthy yan, daming protein yan. Health?
See, Kel? No more noodle. No more.
No more na.
Glitter. Sorry.
Papers.
G. Buktok. Buktok. Lazada. Kami, mas mura Lazada.
Sir, yun yung bank na.
G, ganda. Ganda ng bridge, oh.
Hindi, sabi ko yun lang yung iba kami sinabi ako. Ayaw na yung G kasi may bayad daw.
Yung happiness mo nag-start na siya.
Ay, opo.
Kaya dapat binabalik natin. Dapat small things, dapat masaya ka na. Kasi sa pinagdadaanan mo ngayon, parang yung simpleng lakas lang, worry, magkakainan lahat, naka-gadget. No? Those small things should be happiness. Because when you grow old, you cannot do that anymore. Yun na nangyayari kanina. Hindi pa nung wala kami gadget, masyado. Makapanahon.
Sila.
Kahit isang kilo fruit. Hindi na peso.
Daddy, we can bring our peso.
Where?
We can go in the house. No, it's okay.
Wala na tayong keso kasi ako eh.
Mm.
Ito ba anak ko?
Okay po yan.
Kain. Daddy, I feel pink.
Oh, wait lang. Wait lang, wait lang. Ang saya naman ng date na yan, nakakaingit. Sana all. Hello, G.
Oh, the dog was about to hit. Oh, the dog's hitting it. Oh. Hindi pa nila pinak.
Alin po, mama?
What is it?
Tinanayan ko na kasi sabi ko, Miss, bakit naman ang tagal? Di ba meron na
Ako man, bilis. Gusto mo ba? Sino gusto mo? Ha? Paw Patrol? Wait, babayad muna tayo. Yee! G! Bilis, come on! Baby! Kato ka kay Lala, bilis! Go, 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 go! Sorry. G! G, dito naman. Ah! Pag ganon. No, iganon mo, baliktad. Yan. Atras ka. Okay, tapos ganon mo, saka forward. Yan. Parang pag nagmamaniobra si daddy sa car, di ba? Dun, sa avocado. Ay, bawal po, dito lang. Sorry. G, harap ka sa akin. Hindi, ikot ka, harap ka sa akin. Ikot ka dun sa fountain. G, bilis, ang bagal naman. Ikot ka sa fountain. Dun. Go. Go. Yan. Very good. Dito. Sige, go. Daan ka sa akin, daan. Sige, G, go! Bye-bye! Sarap ka na rito. Bye-bye, Jace. I-parking mo si Jace. G! Go, 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 go! Sorry. Talon-talon ka, G. Talon-talon ka. Puro katikim, boy, ah. Maubos na yan, ah. Ba't ka natatawa? Seryoso ba? Pinifigure out mo yung lasa?
Oo. That's why it's food tasting, not food eating.